Well, I'm not entirely sure that that's going to be accurate.
I'd like to get this off so I can have a look inside and see what's going on.
Yeah, this looks well and truly stuff. I have to give me one of those. This Kickstarter's been welded, so it doesn't fold anymore. I've got another one, fortunately.
Didn't have much luck trying to use a screwdriver there. The bolt heads are pretty chewed up, and I don't want to make them worse. And this one doesn't seem to want to be moving, so I don't want to round it up. Luckily I've got an impact driver, which made short work of them. And there it goes, and out it comes. Got them all undone. Time to stick them in a bag. Hopefully I won't use the bag. Not sure how it'll be to replace those.
It's certainly been on there for a while and it doesn't look like it wants to come off. So rubber mallet time.
Okay, it's loosened. Water. You can't really see it properly here, but lots of water. Oil. Oh, really? I don't know why I didn't expect there to be oil in that bit. I don't know if it means it's leaking. And I don't know how the water got in there either. Although it did live in a crate on a farm in North Wales for many years. Almost a decade. Yeah, so that's pretty horrible looking. Definitely water in that. But the clutch looks okay, I guess. Looks pretty clean.
Unfortunately, the centre stand's in the way. It's quite hard to get anything under this, so very messy. This is cream of tartar mixed with some water. Apparently it's very good at cleaning this stuff up, so we'll give it a go. See what happens.
Certainly taking a fair bit of it off. Starting to look like it did when I first picked it up, before using the crate.
So that'll do for now. Here's the other side. I've only got one of these, and I better start cleaning this one next.